Hi there, students. Pace. Okay, a verb or a noun. We use pace to mean a step, yeah? So, it is 10 paces away, it's 10 steps away. To pace, to walk at a steady, fairly rapid speed. But nowadays we use this word pace in lots of things, meaning the speed of something, the speed of running, the speed of walking, the rate of change. So things began to gather pace. That's a good collocation, to gather pace, to get faster. He has an extremely fast walking pace. Yeah? Or in cricket, a pace bowler. Or maybe in football, this striker has plenty of pace. He's really rapid. He runs very rapidly. Okay, so pace. There was a sudden change of pace in the music. It was very slow to begin with, but it picked up pace. Yeah? To keep pace with, to move at the same speed as. So workers want their wages to keep pace with inflation. In motor racing, you have a pace car. Which is a car that goes round the track in front of the other cars, and then it leaves, but it's setting the initial speed of movement. Okay, to last the pace, to be able to keep up until the end. So he started really strongly, but I'm not sure he's going to be able to last the pace. Yeah, or set the pace, to put the to establish the velocity that something will happen. So the front runner set the pace, he set the speed, but there were one or two runners that were off the pace, behind the leader, behind the leading group. Yeah, okay, you could put someone through their paces, make them demonstrate their ability. So the restaurant wanted to hire a chef, so they gave him one day's work to put him through his paces. Okay, so pace. Yeah, a pace bowler in cricket, as I was saying, very a rapid bowler. The pace of reform is really slow. Things are changing at pace. Things are changing very rapidly, at pace, at a high speed. Okay, so pace, we use it in lots and lots of ways. Yeah, this car lacks pace. It's slow but steady. Yeah. And then, yeah, he was pacing up and down. He was taking large steps up and down. You should pace yourself. Go at a slow and steady rate so that you don't get too tired and you're able to finish the what you're doing. Yeah. Okay. So pace. We're using this all in all sorts of ways nowadays to talk about speed. Yeah. Okay. So make sure you can last the pace. You can continue until the end. Uh, the music was played at pace, very rapidly. Okay, the pace of recovery was very rapid, or the pace was very slow. To be off the pace, not to be as fast as other things, not to be as fast as the pace setters, the people setting or establishing the velocity of something. Okay, so pace. There are lots of different ways to use this word. Yeah. So a change of pace, a change of speed, to keep pace with, to maintain the progress at the same rate, to last the pace, to be able to keep up, to put someone through their paces, to test them out. Yeah, at a snail's pace. The traffic moved forward at a snail's pace, at a snail's velocity. Okay, so pace. I think most of these words, I'm going to give them a 5 or a 4 in formality. I think it depends. To set the pace, neutral formality of 5. To put someone through their paces, I think 4.5. I wouldn't use it very formally. The cyclist was off the pace of the leaders, off the pace, maybe 4 in formality. You need to last the pace, 5 in formality, use anywhere. To keep pace with, to change pace, 5 in formality. At a snail's pace, yeah, I think maybe 4.5 in formality. Notice, to pace a regular verb as well. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French word pas, meaning a pace or a step. Yeah, from Latin, passus, meaning a step. Yeah, okay, or a pace. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pace, a snail's pace, off the pace. Keep pace with, to put someone through their paces.